Hey, it's Levi with Henley's Happy Trails. Have you ever driven away from your campsite with the antenna up? Well, we have a little bit of a product review / tip that will help you not forget anything. If you were a kid in the 90s, you probably remember something that looked quite like this and spent a little bit of time slapping them around your wrist. The slap bracelet was actually invented in 1983 by Stuart Anders, and he used his mother's sewing machine and a piece of measuring tape to make it. He slapped it around his steering wheel because he didn't know how to market it, and there it stayed for years until he found a marketing opportunity. Well, two RVers in the US took that idea and brought it full circle, and were slapping them on steering wheels as opposed to wrists once again. The product's called RVminders. We got a hold of them because we really liked the idea, and they decided to send us a set of RVminders. It comes in a box, kind of like this. And inside that box is a bunch of slap bracelets. They remind you to do things before you leave. So it works kind of like this. As you set up your campsite, you take these RVminders, such as slide locks, and you slap them on your steering wheel. Once they're on your steering wheel, you know you can't drive away until you've taken that off or did the thing. So they have reminders to remind you about the steps and ladders, your hookups. Natalie and I have actually worked at a couple of RV parks, and people have driven off while still plugged into the power pylon. So even though you think it might not happen to you, it's not a bad idea to keep a reminder. The problem with paper lists is you have to remember to look at the list. The cool thing that we liked about this is once you slap it on your steering wheel, you can't drive away until you've taken it off. And so it's like a list that stares you in the face and won't let you drive off until you've done it. So we really love the idea. We've had them for a few weeks now, and every time we stop, we slap them on, and it works really good. It makes us feel really comfortable about when we pick up and leave the RV site. So if you're interested in RVminders, you can get them from RVminders.com, or you can get them off Amazon. They're under $20 for a set. It comes with 8 pre-labeled, and it comes with 2 that are blank so that you can customize it to your RV needs, things that you need to remember and that sort of thing. So that's the tip. We hope you like this idea. Can you tell us what you use to make sure you remember to do everything when you're taking off in the comments below? Also, if you haven't yet, remember to subscribe for more RV tips. Thank you, and happy trails.